I don't know what that is. Oh, it's an A series. Nice. Whoa. Yeah, that's an old style cab. Take a look at this. I don't even know what that is. Is this for like a card reader? Or where one used to be? I don't even know. Apparently this is elevator 3, so we have 2 more to find here. Whoa. Jesus. Oh wow, we'll look out up here after. Look at that. That button is a bit messed up. Take a look. The bulb literally just shines through the arrow. I don't even know how that happens. And Jesus, this lantern's seen better days as well. This is one of those elevators that would have been really nice when it was first installed, but they kind of stopped caring about it. All right, we're gonna go up again. Jesus. I just noticed, look at these ceiling tiles. They're like, oh my. I made it bad, I made it worse. Oh no, look at that. They just like took whatever random bits they could find and just sort of slapped them up here. They don't line up or anything. Look, it doesn't even fit the whole, they had to add this little section too. This thing is strange. I mean, the original woodwork in the cab is beautiful though, don't get me wrong. Like, this is gorgeous. You can tell this must have been a pretty premier hotel back in the day. The door's not opening. There we go. Jesus. But this definitely, oh look, this door used to be gold plated. Or brass. That would have looked a lot better with this cab, I say. I wonder if this panel used to be like that too. Want that close.